Want to burn fat faster without extreme dieting? Start doing these 7 daily habits. 1. Walk more. Daily. Walking every day burns calories and keeps your body active. 2. Do 10 to 15 minutes. Exercise. Simple workouts like push-ups, squats, or jumping jacks boost fat burning. 3. Drink water. Before meals. Water before meals helps you eat less and control hunger. 4. Eat more protein. Protein keeps you full and helps your body burn more calories. 5. Move after eating. A short walk after meals improves digestion and burns extra calories. 6. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Good sleep reduces fat gain and controls cravings. 7. Reduce sugar intake. Less sugar means less fat storage in your body. You don't need crazy diets. Stay consistent with these habits and your body will change.